Today we're going for a bit of a wander down at the Tumut State Park, just for some exercise and get out and about for a little bit, and we thought we would take you guys along with us.
Oh, look at that gigantic puddle. Yeah, it's massive.
There's been quite a lot of rain here lately, and that's a pretty good idea of how much rain we've had, and it hasn't rained for a couple of days, so that's just been sitting there. It's crazy.
It's
So we've just stumbled upon this little dam area here, and somebody's actually put like a slippery dip into the water from the little island, so that when there's enough water in there, you can slide into the water. Somebody's been fishing here. There's a bit of a net or something there. I wonder if there's any yabbies or that in here.
What's yabbies?
They're little, almost look like miniature lobsters.
But see this holes on the ground. See this holes?
Yeah, probably just erosion on the banks. That's quite cool.
Look, there's broken glass.
Tell me if you see anything, guys. Anyone who doesn't know, fun fact, I have my full motorbike licence, and I actually owned a motorbike before I owned a car. Only reason I sold it was because I had my first order. God, I miss it though. You liking the walk?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good exercise.
And I saw shaving my hair yesterday.
Yeah. I'll throw in a little clip here of Charlie getting her undercut done.
This is so cool.
Stay still. Put your head over. Pretty cool. I mentioned an undercut to Charlotte, a couple of weeks ago, and she's like, oh yeah. Charlotte's very much like Mum, likes to be adventurous and do things out of the normal, which I love. and Charlotte loves to take risks, and so we did an undercut, and I think it looks amazing. My little Charlie bear. Wow, this is just like never ending. Look at this. Oh! Buddy lost his phone, mate. Found a phone, mate. Don't touch it. That could have toe jam. Oh! If anybody wants a thong, if you lost one, it's at the Tumut Nature Park.
Tumut State Forest.
Yeah, that's right. Tumut State Forest.
TSF.
Okay, we're going to take some photos, guys, and then we'll probably start heading back. So we'll see you in a minute.
Run the cut off trees.
So what does it look like, Xavier?
A sniper, but the front of it is cut.
Yeah. Xavier said it looks like a tree gun. Okay, guys, we're almost back at the car. So I'm going to say goodbye now because I can feel my blood pressure dropping and I'm having a bit of a weak spell. It's a normal thing for me. It just means I need a bit of sugar. I'm going to say goodbye now while I can and say thank you for joining us on our bit of a walk today. And don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button to become part of the fam if you're not already part, and hit the bell to be notified of the next video that comes out. Till next time, guys, stay true to yourself, stay humble, and believe.